Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on pairing a PS5 controller with a Samsung Smart TV. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. The first thing you need to do is put your controller into pairing mode. You do this by holding down the PS button and the share button at the same time until the LEDs start to flash. Now on your TV remote, tap the home button and navigate to the left until you get to source and tap the up arrow. Go to connection guide and tap OK to open it. Select input device and then select Bluetooth device. Tap next, then tap setup now. Tap on your controller's name and then tap Pair and Connect. Your PS5 controller is now paired and connected to your TV. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung TV tips and tricks.